Alright, Harmony Science Academy AP Stat students, we're in section 8.2. The learning topic for this section is estimating a population proportion. There's two tricks here, one involving inverse norm and the other one is going to be for the confidence interval. Okay, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. Again, these are calculator tips. The inverse norm, we've seen it again, so this one's about we're long overdue for this one. Okay, so again, critical value. What you want to do is get a scratch sheet here, scratch pad. Let's go and hit menu. Let's go and then go 5 and 5. Hover over these, and then we hover over 3 for inverse normal. Okay, so again, here we're producing a critical value. The data that I'm using is from section 8.2, the example they give us titled Read Any Good Books Lately. Okay, and on this one they reference a 90% confidence interval. Okay, so everything falls within the 90%. There's 10% where it falls outside, okay, which is what we're looking at. So outside of that is 10%. You've got 5% on the left end and 5% on the right. Okay, so let's go and punch that in. Now we've got a normal distribution, so we can standardize it. The mean is 0. One standard deviation is exactly where we want this critical value to be placed at, and that's how you would produce the value that you have in that example. Okay, all right, the next one. Okay, let's go ahead and go back here. Okay, so very appropriate to this section is the confidence interval. Okay, using the TI Nspire for that. So we're going to go into a spreadsheet. We're going to hit menu and 4 for statistics, 3 for confidence interval, and here, okay, since we're dealing with population proportions, here it is, number one of them, okay, as opposed to 2. So we're going to select this one, and for this one I'll use the same data as the again, section 8.2, 17 technology corner. Let's go and punch in those values. Okay, 70, 738, and of course the confidence level depends on your scenario, so we'll just go ahead and go with it as such and let it render the exact same values that you see in 17 technology corner. It's got the title Constructing a Confidence Interval for a Population Proportion. They're actually using a TI 83/84. Okay, we'll see you in class, guys. And whoops, before I forget, this would be your minimum, your maximum as far as the interval that we're looking for. Okay, talk to you then.